So hey guys, this is EBPMAN, and today we're going to take a look at a couple cases for Tudia that are designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's check it out. Now the two cases that we're going to look at are one designed to be very slim, and the other is designed to give you better protection. So let's take a look at how both of these fit on our S9 Plus. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. So if you're the type of person that likes not having a case on your phone but are willing to sacrifice and having some level of protection, this is probably the case for you. It is very flexible. It's a TPU case. It's not going to give you the ultimate protection, but as you can see by snapping this on how easy it goes on, it's going to give you some. So it has a light bevel lip going all the way around. Not significant at all, and it's a very flexible material. It doesn't feel like it adds any weight at all. So you do have some grip on the side, which is nice. The buttons are easily to access and very bumpy. You have also all your ports are easily accessible, and your pinhole mic is there. You'll notice that you do have some material protecting your camera. So you have your your fingerprint sensor there, as well as your flash are nicely protected, so you have no problems like putting this down. This will definitely support wireless charging without a problem. Matter of fact, both of these do. I've already tested them, but this is again going to be super light, super thin, and will give you some protection, but it's probably would highly recommend this one right here versus this one. Now this next case is a little bit more robust. It does have a polycarbonate with TPU on it, and we'll go ahead and put our phone. All you have to do is really snap it in, and this is going to give you, again, you can see the edge here, the lip comes out really high, so which is good. You'll see that over here on the side, the buttons are pronounced, just as the other one was. Good protection on the top, and it does have some bumps coming out on the sides and the tops, so that's really good. On the buttons themselves are, again, very accessible, as we saw on the other one, and then also you can see how much screen protection you get back here for your camera lens. So those are really well protected. You can see that there's some really nice depth there. So this is definitely the kind of case that I would recommend if you're looking to protect your phone from any kind of drop, and it also supports wireless charging. So this concludes our review of these two cases from Tudia for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus.